Capricorn, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the 4th week of October. Okay, so let's jump right in and see what energies are you can expect playing out for the 4th week of October. I hope you're all fine wherever you are. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be happy, my dears. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leaves what does not for somebody else. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share my video on your social media. Help me reach out to as many people as I can. That being my mission in life, you'll be doing me a great favor. Thank you so much in advance. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Capricorn. Remember to always watch your Sun, Moon, Rising videos, because there you will find some or the other message in each of those videos. Okay, so let's get you one card from this beautiful deck, which is the affirmation that we will read at the end of your reading. Also, if you are interested in a personal reading, you'll find all my details in the description box below the video. Also, you can follow me on Facebook. You'll find the link in the description box, where I post inspirational and motivational quotes every single day. Also, you can subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which the link again will be in the description box, where I post motivational and spiritual videos. Okay, so thank you for all your love and support. I truly appreciate it. All right, Capricorn, October 4th week of October, your reading, Capricorn. All right, and you've drawn the energy is gaining momentum, and that's beautiful. Now the energy is positive. That's the feeling that I got. Okay, so it is all about positive changes, positive news, positive offers, positive relationship harmony coming into your life. And it's not a slow energy, it's the energy is gaining momentum. And don't we like that? Beautiful. Let's see in what areas this is happening. You've drawn the number 24, prompting. Okay, call a friend today. Now, what the energy I get from this is, there seems to be a few of you. Okay, this may not resonate with everybody, but there seems to be a few of you who have sort of had a status quo kind of a relationship with some friends, somebody whom you were very close to. For a few of you, it could also be a romantic relationship, where things have just sort of pained out a little, become a little colder. And not to say that there is no love, whether it is friendship or whether it is the romantic relationship or a family member. It's not to say that there is no love anymore. It's just that there is a kind of a, as I said, standoff kind of a situation, and the other person is also wanting to reach out to you, and you've been also contemplating that. This is the time that you are asked to reach out, because as I said, for very few of you, your friend or the partner actually is in some kind of a trouble. Okay, now I don't want to alarm you, and they just want a comforting your comforting presence or your comforting call. Okay, that's the energy I get, but that message is for a very few of you. All right, for others of you, this is about reaching out to people whom you care about. So whether it is by making a call, sending an email, visiting them if it is possible in your part of the country. So do something where you've not been in touch with people, obviously because of the pandemic and all. But if you get an opportunity, say hello to people, message them, text them, email them, go and meet them if possible. Okay, Beautiful. This is the energy I was getting. This is the King of Cups energy, a man holding your heart. Now this is about this person which I was telling. Now you hold that person's heart, and that person holds your heart, and that is the reason why this this distance in the relationship is affecting them and it is affecting you. That was the energy that I was picking up. And you make the call or they make the call. If they do it, fantastic. If they don't do it, if you call, you will you will set the energy in motion, because this is number 45, which works out to 9, which is about coming to the end of a cycle. Coming to the end, okay? 10 is completion, you are at 9, so you are coming very close to this period of stagnation which this friendship, relationship, familyship has gone through, and it has run its course, and now it is time to reach out. Now that is not to say you reach out with love, but it is also, for a lot of you, it could also be to end it, okay? I'm not asking you to end it, okay? Understand that I'm only saying that this is the closure. If you are looking for ending it and it's just been hanging there, you will or they will make an effort to end it, okay, rather than keeping it hanging. Or it could be this end of this dry period and a place where you reach out to each other and the relationship sparks. Because for me, it is the energy that I pick up is mostly about things moving forward. But for a few of you, it could also be an end to a situation which was not fulfilling you emotionally, okay? So this could be even a job offer, a job. It could be some relations in the professional areas, some familyships, some friendships. It could be in any area which was not giving you that emotional fulfillment, okay? So then you may decide to move on. If you were not fulfilled because you've been missing them or because you've been wanting them back, then obviously you will reach out with an offer of love, okay? So take it how it resonates in your life, but this is all about energy moving ahead. So whether it is from the stagnant energy towards something which will bring you together, or it could be the stagnant energy moving towards a complete closure and moving on to something better, okay? Love it. Archangel Michael has stepped into your reading, and Archangel Michael is all about truth in any given situation, the truth that we may see or we may choose not to see, okay? So he comes into a reading to show you the clarity, to give you that clarity to make this move, okay, or not make this move. First chakra, Archangel Michael. Now this is all about Archangel Michael, the root chakra, the first chakra, is all about our survival, about our feeling secure and stable. So if a relationship, if a familyship, if a job, if a friendship has not given you that sense of security, stability, and a feeling of comfort and being loved, then you need to look at it from that point of view. If it is not valuing you, it is time to end it and move into fresher pastures. If it is what you've been missing, you had it earlier with them, and due to some reasons now you don't have it, you are craving for it, you want it, then you make the offer, okay? So Archangel Michael will give you that clarity, will show you the truth of the situation and help you in making that decision. Okay, woman holding a coin. Now this to me is the Queen of Pentacles energy. It's a very abundant, prosperous, but also very wise energy. Though she is so well off, she's the Queen of Pentacles. She invests her coins very wisely. So this could be about some investment that you're thinking about. Should I buy this house or should I not buy it? Should I go in for this car or not? Should I exchange this for that? That kind of or should I go in for this bitcoins, so cryptocurrencies? Should I invest in something else? or should I invest in a relationship? You know, that kind of an energy. And you've got Archangel Michael right in the center. He is going to show you give you the clarity, show you the path, and help you make that decision, which brings in positivity, stability, and security that you require. So whether it is regarding finances, job, career, or relationships, familyships, health, friendships, any area. Okay, so this is positive energy moving into your life, and it is coming swiftly. Now let's end this beautiful reading for you, Capricorn, with some uplifting affirmations. Now you've drawn Saint Angela Merici card, and the 4 affirmations are: I flow easily with the changes that life presents me. Can I make up the energies? It is all about the energy gaining momentum. It's flowing in, and it is, you just need to take a stand, make a decision, reach out to either continue or reach out to cut, so that the energy flows. And that's exactly what Saint Angela Merici has confirmed. Thank you. I have the courage to follow my inner calling and with determination. Archangel Michael is all about the courage, the truth, the clarity that you require to move ahead in your path. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Change always brings about a better life situation. So as I was saying, if this situation with anything or anybody is not giving you stability, not making you feel secure, it's time to end it and move on for better things. Exactly. And I have free will to alter the course of my life based on divine guidance. You've got divine guidance twice. Reach out to them. Those whom you feel you want is to continue in your life. Those whom you don't want, those things that you don't want, end it so that you can begin a new chapter. I wish you all the very best, Capricorn. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Share my video on your social media. I'll see you soon, Capricorn. Namaste.